You go, you'll find people sitting hunched over their desks, phones, or laptops. Poor posture has become one of the most silent yet dangerous problems of our generation. It doesn't just make you look less confident, but it can also cause long-term back pain, breathing issues, low energy, and even mood changes. But here's the powerful truth. Just 10 to 15 minutes of daily posture training can reverse years of bad habits. Welcome to Healthcare, the channel where science meets lifestyle. Today, I'll share with you the ultimate 10-minute daily posture routine, backed by research, easy to follow, and designed to not only fix your posture, but also strengthen your body for the future. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in.
Chest opener stretch, unlocking tightness.
Our first exercise is the chest opener stretch, and it's one of the simplest yet most powerful moves for anyone who spends their day sitting. When you sit for long hours, your chest muscles shorten and tighten, pulling your shoulders forward into a rounded hunch. This creates the classic tech neck and makes you appear slouched. The chest opener works like an instant reset. By interlocking your fingers behind your back and gently pulling downward while lifting your chest, you actively stretch the pectoral muscles and encourage your shoulders to roll back into alignment. What makes this exercise so valuable is that it doesn't just improve your posture instantly, it also opens up your lungs, allowing deeper breaths and better oxygen flow. Many people report feeling lighter and more confident after just one set.
Cat-cow stretch, mobilizing the spine.
Next, we move to the cat-cow stretch, a gentle yoga-inspired movement that directly targets the stiffness in your spine. Think of your spine as the central highway of your body. If it's blocked or stiff, every other system suffers. The cat-cow sequence works by rhythmically arching and rounding your back while synchronizing with your breath. As you inhale, the spine curves downward and the chest opens. Cow, as you exhale, the spine rounds and the chin tucks in. Cat, this back and forth flow lubricates the spinal joints, relieves pressure on the lower back, and restores natural mobility that sitting often takes away. People who do this daily report fewer back spasms, greater flexibility, and a sense of calm because it also activates the parasympathetic nervous system.
Wall angels, building postural strength.
Posture isn't only about stretching, it's about strength. Weak upper back muscles are one of the main reasons people cannot maintain an upright posture. That's why wall angels